Mostly gravel. Just in case. I would blame the clutch too. You reckon it was worth it?
Yeah. Worth the 30 grand?
No, it's clean for 30 grand with real TEs. It's not bad. I don't even know where we kind of left off, but right now on the way to the bro's house, we're gonna hop in his truck and go to the EVO. It's at one of our friends' shops. Then hopefully fix it up a little bit, just to get the intercooler on maybe, and then we'll bring it over to his house. Hours, 4.5 hours to go pick up EVO parts, the only parts in our area, instead of going to pick up, because I told him we're gonna pick up the car or use the trailer to pick it up and bring it to his house, his EVO. But instead we went to go pick up parts, and we picked up a bumper for a dump truck that's back there. It barely fit, and now we got to fit a front nose, basically all the parts in there too. It's gonna be pretty interesting, and it has a cab on top of the bed. Georgia ain't got nothing going on in it. Ain't nothing entertaining except fields and cows. And now we're 9 minutes out, and the dude claims to have some JDM projects, so it better be something cool for this 4.5 hour drive, and hopefully it's not a Lancer, otherwise we're cooked. 4.5 hours for no reason. Whatever, we'll pick up the camera when we actually get there though. Watch your hands though. What do we get ourselves into?
I don't know. A mess. Let me pull this one.
Yeah, man. That's done. This is why it's getting parted out, bro. Look at that. Straight Bondo. Underneath. Whole car's pretty rough. But parts for cheap. Not bad. Damn. All the parts we got. We'll talk more in the truck. Packed up this whole thing. And the bed. What time did we get there? I think 6:30. Pulled up at 6:30 and left at 8:45. Cut out the whole front subframe. or whole front clip basically. You guys probably seen the clip of that, and then whole interior we pretty much ripped out. I think I only got a clip of the last bit of it. Yeah, not too bad. Now we need a 3-hour drive home. Took about an hour, but the whole dash is out. And over here, the VIN plate's gonna have to get transferred to the new dash. And this is the new one, right?
Yeah, that's all the stuff. Yeah,
Had to make.
all back in.
Josh made put this thing back on this one because the other one bezel was pretty smoked, cut up. This one has the airbag in it, so pretty much gonna do the exact opposite on that one. Or we're gonna take this one now, do the exact opposite thing of what we just did. So no need to time lapse that. We're just gonna throw it right in. And yeah, it only took us an hour to take it out, so we're pretty much pros at this by now. So you guys are gonna see when it's back in the car. Also, this piece right here that goes under the steering wheel, gonna get the parts car one on, since it had this thing in it. If anyone knows what this thing plugs into, has like a light on it, tracker or something, let us know. But it was cut previously. And also this, if anyone knows what these wires splicing are for, was grounded to here and tapped there, so whatever that is would be useful to know. Got the whole dashboard in. Took a little bit longer on the way in. Something with the AC heat gears, I guess they have issues, so he's got those coming in so he could fix that. But the dashboard, that important stuff, is done. Just have to get the A-pillar done and a new tweeter, because when we're putting it in, it got beat up a little, but that's no worries. We also did both seatbelts, so they work now. So basically, full interior complete. I'm definitely gonna still keep sending him aftermarket seats to change that one out. But full interior, or I guess just the dashboard removed. Seatbelts, basic stuff, all done in like basically an afternoon. It's like 7 o'clock now, 7:20. We started at, or is it 7? I don't know, but we started at 4, so that's not too bad. Now I just want to wash it because, I mean, the car is filthy, so I'm gonna pull out the pressure washer and wash this whole thing down, and hopefully it looks cool after it gets cleaned. Yeah. guys seen it all washed up. We washed it, I washed it, whatever. It looks really good, especially on camera. But obviously there's things here and there that we will fix up. But for the first video, getting the car, picking up the parts, putting in the parts, at least some of them, I'd say it's a pretty successful video. If you guys made it this far, subscribe if you guys want to see more on this EVO. We will be completing this car and we're gonna film the whole thing. Obviously there's a lot more work to do, so this is just a small step. But if you guys enjoy it, like, comment, subscribe. All of it's free for you to do. And I guess in the next video, we're gonna have to ask him what's under the hood, because the motor's